Alright, gonna do a video. Got the 418s, Ascendant audio, team series. There's 12 banks of Maxwell caps underneath, and 80 amp hours worth of lithium. We got a charger at 15.4. There we go, focused. Do a little demo right now. 2 crossfire 8Ks, takes a lot of juice, but now I got everything kind of set up a little bit better. See how much I can last on it.
Max, we're about to get rustified. Duly kicking. Like Richard Petty at Daytona, black marks where I slammed the brake. Black top first had me on it, doing 75 35, like a spray pin and 3 off on the side, jumping out to that cassette tape. Culture boys, we can't survive. We all wanted to be Duke boys, looking for a Jeep with Daisy in it. Barefoot better since day one. Underpasses with a past in it. The swing ain't been used in 10 years, and that's no lie. But that swimming hole still look ice cold. This place ain't ace a day in time. On my skin that tells the life I lived. See the marks I left through all the songs I wrote when I was a kid. And look back at the pictures of these sold out shows across the states. When I put these boots up, yeah, I've been across a couple dusty states. And I look at the town and play a record from like 30 back. Play Rolling Stone a couple times, still roll up a joint so fake. I'll be rolling in a rocking chair made of wood, looking at the water tower over the hill right by the sun. Duly my end of the road, that football.
Alright, we got a little unstable with the video. When it's turned up all the way, it tends to vibrate a little too much. So basically stayed, 15s. You dropped down a little bit. I think I have one of the leads on the balance cables that are a little bit loose. So it's probably why the fourth one kept on coming off. Everything goes back up to normal voltage. Then I have the throttle up at all this time. So working pretty good.